on, YouTube? In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to shift a 13 speed, floating gears, rev matching, and no clutch. Basically, what you want to do is use the clutch to take off, and that's it. After first gear, it's all gonna be floating gears and rev matching. Basically, what you have here is your stick shift. This button right here, when it's in the down position, it's in low gears. When you switch it back up, it's in high range, higher gears. Right here, you have your splitter. So forward and reverse. So low range, high range, forward, reverse. The red button is your splitter. What you want to do is put it in first gear, just straight forward. That's how you start off. Clutch down, first gear, straight forward. Let go of the clutch, and after that, basically, for beginners, you want to shift gears at about 14 to 15. So rev your truck up to 14, let go of the throttle, switch gear. All right, there's your pattern right there. It's a H pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then go to high range. You're in 5th. You can split that gear with that red button. Split it back when you want to go into 6th. Split again. Put your red lever back. Go into this gear. Put your lever back again. Go into this gear. That's about 12th gear. When you split it your last time, that's 13th gear. You got low, if you're on an incline, and you got reverse. That's pretty much it. All right, so first gear, if you drive manual cars, is where your third is at. That's where you want to start. Technically, it's your second gear. So where your second gear in your car is, that's your low gear. Where your third is in a regular car, we call it second. Technically, it's second, but we'll call it its first gear. So let off the clutch. Go up to about 15K. Straight back. Third gear. Fourth gear. Fifth gear. Split up. Go up to 15K. Sixth gear. Red button forward. Let off the throttle. You're in 7th gear. Split the splitter back. Go about to 14, 15. Straight back. You're in 8th gear. Go up to 14, 15. Split the gear. Here we go. Again, second gear, gear. Clutch down, first gear. Give it throttle. At 15, shift back. You're in third gear. 15, shift. Fourth gear. Fifth gear. Split up. Back where first is at. Sixth gear. Splitter forward. Give it gas, about 14, 15. Let go, 7th gear. Give it throttle, 14, 15. Splitter back, 8th gear. Give it throttle. Splitter forward. About 14, 15, let go of the gas. 9th gear. Splitter back. Go up to 14, 15. 10th gear. Continue on like that. That's it. Simple. It's an H pattern. No big deal.